Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the aftermarket battery for Apple MacBook Air for 2011. The model is A as in Apple 1369 or A as in Apple 1405 for the battery type. So my customer got this battery out of Amazon. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, so I'm trying to repair the MacBook Air for him. Unfortunately, when I opened up the MacBook Air, one of the capacitor was burned, and I believe once the capacitor got burned, you will need to change out the fuse. When the fuse gets shorted, that will protect your device. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and see how's the battery, what it look like. A bunch of bubble. So this one shows 10.8 volt, and it only shows 6,000 milliamp Henry. I believe the original is like 67 or 6,000, more than 6,000 milliamp. Not sure this come with the tools or anything, so it's inside a bubble envelope. It's come with the two of this tool, the torque. Also the laptop battery user manual. So it says, please discharge the battery to 2% and then charge fully to 100%. At the first cycle after purchasing. Do not discharge the battery pack to 0%, as that will damage the battery pack and shorten the life. It must be charged up to 70% for a long time storage. So yeah, with the lithium-ion battery or lithium polymer, or even the Tesla car battery or any of the full EV battery, you want to go and charge up to 80 or 90% only. This is applied to any of the smartphone as well. Normally that will shorten the life, and you want to go ahead and charge your battery when it's down to about, I would say about 20%, to extend the life of your battery or any battery, lithium ion. And this is the plug or the cable. Wow, this one doesn't have that plastic to pull it out, so. So as you can see, it's A as in Apple 1405 for the battery type. It says 7.3 volt and 50 watt Henry. The tape is already coming out. Yeah, you might have to make sure you charge it, and then once you charge up to 100%, you might want to monitor how fast the battery drain. So you know it's holding the charges or not, because some of this battery is like a dead stock or the old stock. So you want to make sure the battery is still good, you know. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.